Hi, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with Zitradox, and today we are looking at the analysis on the very popular and important currency pair, the euro to the United States dollars. And first, we'll be talking about fundamental analysis. Then we move right down to technical analysis, which is going to be purely what will be seen on the chart. Now, we have seen that euro USD has been plummeting a bit higher, and we're expecting a little bit of a downward side with momentum down to 1.313676 thereabouts and extending possibly to the 1.13354. So we are expecting more and more momentum to kick off and make sure we expect a downside and never go for the upside. But first, we have seen fundamentals that the US shares mixed at the close of the trade, with Dow Jones Industrial Average being down by 0.22%. US equities were mixed at the close on Wednesday as we see gains in technology, basic materials, and consumer services sector propelled shares higher, while losses in the oil and gas, utilities, and telecom sectors led shares a bit lower. Now, at the close in the NYSE, the Dow Jones Industrial Average declined 0.22%, while the S&P 500 index added 0.01%, and NASDAQ Composite Index climbed to 0.32%. The biggest gainers, of course, of the session on the Dow Jones Industrial Average were American Company Incorporation, which rose about 1.46% or 1.13 points to trade at 78.28 at the close. And of course, we see the beats of NASDAQ, which was up 0.74 or 1.52 points. And this, of course, is shaping what the USD outlook will look like. But we are expecting a free-fall sell down to this axis, very important support, which we're going to mark out now, as we expect an upper side to the market. So marking this out, we mark our second support being at this point. And then we have a lot of momentum to kick off and push down to the very important support zone and make sure we expect a very, very wonderful balance from these trades as we make more entries to this. Now, moving ahead, we are expecting real inflow and possibly real downward side to this market. And exceptionally, we make sure that we expect more and more reversal to the market as we make effort to push for the downside. Now, that's our technical analysis on the currency pair euro USD. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.